Hey, if you wonder how many eSIMs you can use at the same time on your Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, so the answer is short, you can only use two of them. You can add multiple eSIMs, but if you want to, you have to keep only two of them activated. There's no way to get 3, 4, or 5 activated at the same time. And if you already input here a physical SIM card, then you can only have one eSIM activated. So you can use here dual SIM with two eSIMs, or one physical SIM card and one eSIM. And that will be all the quick information for you. And by the way, if you wonder how many eSIMs you can input here, currently there's no official information. I was searching on the Google website, on some Reddit, on other websites. There's no current information how many eSIMs you can add here into this smartphone. So this is it, the quick overview of this phone multitasking SIMs right now. Please subscribe and see you in the next one.